Autel MaxiIM IM508S Pro review /N. For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you tired of using outdated diagnostic equipment that's cumbersome and slow /N? But here's what surprised me when I started using the Autel MaxiIM IM508S Pro /N. It's not just a diagnostic tool, it's a game changer for any professional mechanic or DIY enthusiast looking to upgrade their garage /N. Therefore, let's dive into the top 3 reasons why you need to try this revolutionary device /N. 1. Lightning fast diagnostic speed /N. The Autel MaxiIM IM508S Pro boasts an incredibly fast diagnostic speed of under 10 seconds. That's faster than any other comparable tool on the market /N. Imagine being able to quickly identify issues with your vehicle, saving you time and increasing customer satisfaction /N. But what really sets this device apart is its ability to perform multiple functions simultaneously /N. Therefore streamlining your workflow and maximizing productivity /N. Rehook. Are you ready to revolutionize your diagnostic process /N? 2. Advanced multi-language support /N. One of the standout features of the Autel MaxiIM IM508S Pro is its advanced multi-language support, enabling technicians to communicate with customers in their native language /N. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also opens up new opportunities for international business and collaboration /N. But what about when you're faced with a particularly complex issue /N? Therefore, the Autel MaxiIM IM508S Pro's sophisticated algorithm can analyze data from various sources to provide accurate and actionable insights /N. Rehook. Are you ready to take your diagnostic skills to the next level /N? 3. Integrated OBD-I scanner /N. The Autel MaxiIM IM508S Pro comes equipped with an integrated OBD-I scanner, allowing for seamless communication with any vehicle's onboard computer system /N. This feature not only simplifies the diagnosis process but also provides a wealth of valuable data on your vehicle's performance and health /N. But what about when you need to access more advanced features or perform complex procedures /N? Therefore, the Autel MaxiIM IM508S Pro offers seamless integration with other diagnostic tools and software, giving you unparalleled flexibility and control /N. Rehook. Are you ready to unlock your vehicle's full potential /N? In conclusion, the Autel MaxiIM IM508S Pro is an absolute game changer for any professional mechanic or DIY enthusiast looking to upgrade their garage /N. Its lightning fast diagnostic speed, advanced multi-language support, and integrated OBD-I scanner make it the ultimate tool for streamlining your workflow and maximizing productivity /N. Therefore, don't wait any longer. Order yours today from the link in the description and start experiencing the power of next-generation diagnostics /N.